Hello there everyone, welcome to Hey Ho Let's Tow. Just a quick update, I've just popped into Wander Home, our caravan dealer, where we store our caravan. We've had it professionally washed, so I'm just going to go and check on it and have a quick look around. This is the showroom and also the after service department. I just go in here and pay for the clean. So that's all paid for. They get a proper wash, and also as a extra treat, they check the torque and check the tyres and everything, make sure everything was pumped up so it's all ready to go away. I have been doing a lot of digging and renovations on the site. That's the new office building that they're building, new showroom. That's the old one, and around here are all of the vehicles. Now, that looks like a whole lot of motorhomes. Where are the caravans? They still sound caravans? Let's see if I can find a caravan down here. There must be one. Caravans, Swifts. I don't think these are a Burley dealer anymore. And obviously, I'm not sure if Eldest even here anymore. Well, it was the other Wander Home that we bought our Eldest from. Oh, there's some caravans, a lot more than I thought would be. That's nice. Nice to see plenty of caravans for sale. With all the reports, you start thinking that caravan dealers aren't really selling caravans anymore, and a lot of Eldest, as I say, have stopped manufacturing them, as far as I'm aware. A lot of dealers are really shifting their stock to motorhomes and camper vans, which seem to be very, very popular. This is the little road you got to drive in and out of the storage, and it's all potholes and a lot narrower than it was. But they seem to have done a bit better on this road. This road recently was, well, it used to be a road, it's more of a track now. It was all potholes and lumps and bumps, and I was worried about towing my caravan over it, but it looks like they filled it in a bit, which is good. I'll go and give the caravan a quick inspect now, see how clean it is. And there it is, all professionally clean and shiny and new, and none of those black streaky bits that are all down the front there. Those streaky bits under there, looks nice. Tyres all nicely cleaned up. Oh, they've even got rid of most of the nettles. That one's still starting to grow there. The rear end's looking nice and clean. All around there was a bit grotty with moss and muck. And that's much better around there, much better cleaned. Now, if you look at one of my previous videos, that bit there was particularly grafted and horrible, and that's lovely and clean now. Let's see if I can get in and look on the roof. I'm not quite tall enough, I'm only 4'3" to look on the roof. And caravan step, always good for climbing up and to have a look on the roof, because I don't have a ladder with me. Right. Oh, that's a view of it. Can't quite see myself. I'll have to bring the camera down to have a look. Well, looking at the footage, it looks clean. The roof outside of it looks lovely and clean and shiny. All done. I just need to bring the battery back. That's on charge at home, and we can finally get away with it. Away in it. It's been a few months since we've been away. It's just, as we said before, it's just been busy. We've had other things. We've been on a plane holiday. Is it called a plane holiday? A traditional holiday on a plane recently, because we wanted to go out and get some sun. But we've got some plans for the caravan. We just need to get them in motion. now that things are starting to quieten down. I don't know what you do, guys, but we always, when we put ours in storage, for some reason out of habit, we've always put the chocks there. I don't know why we do it, but we always do. Does anybody else do that when they put the caravan in storage or even on a campsite? Do you put little chocks out? I must admit, it's looking very shiny new. I can't wait to get away in it. So there, just a quick update. Promise, next time you watch one of our videos, we will be at a campsite away in the caravan. I promise, fingers crossed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, do all the good stuff. Watch this video up here, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.